Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Joby here. If you are new, welcome and I would love you to subscribe and join me this journey. Click the bell button so you won't miss any video of me. Today's weather is gloomy and today's video is clean with me. I hope this video gives you motivation to clean your house and enjoy the music. First, I have to pick up the scattered toys in our bedroom as the kids like to bring some toys and play in our bedroom. Today, we are going to change our bed sheet and I will also wash the cover of our comforter. I hope you like this kind of video, guys, and I hope you like the music as well.
Closer now, cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever.
Now it's time to bring down the dirty bed sheets and wash them. And now it's time to go back to our bedroom and dust.
I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this.
I washed Haley's beddings the other day, guys, so I'm not going to change it today. So I am just tidying her bed and her bedroom, and I have to dust as well. So after tidying and dusting Haley's bedroom, and now it's time to clean our toilet. So it is your first time to see that I clean our toilet, guys, right? But I have to include more in my cleaning videos. Hello guys, I just called the greengrocers and I asked for vegetables and fruit. Yes, and they're coming to deliver before they close the shop. Yes, so ayan guys. Yeah. After calling the greengrocers, and now it's time to continue cleaning our bathroom. So this is the only bathroom we have, guys, upstairs.
You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love.
our bidet. So guys, we are not so worried about the toilet paper issues because we have bidet.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Hailey is playing peekaboo with her sister in the garden. That's why she comes back and forth in our bedroom.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were
our toilet. It is sparkling clean na guys. Yes, feels really so good when you accomplish one thing. And it's me there saying hello to you guys.
I will always remember it.
And now it's time to put the cover of our quilt, guys. I had a hard time putting the cover, guys, because the quilt is so big and heavy. Hello guys, so dumating na ang aming order. They came and deliver, guys, our food, fruits and vegetables ito, guys. So I have 1 kilo cherry tomatoes. Look at that. Ang sarap nito, guys. Sweet siya, and we put it in our salad. Yes. And this tomato, guys, is for cooking. And another tomato here is to spread on the bread. Yes. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. And we have these 2 eggplants. Can you see, guys, itong eggplant na to? Meron din sa atin, di ba? We also have these eggplants in the Philippines, but they are smaller. So we also have cucumbers, 2 red bell peppers, yes, and apples, yes, garlic, and this apple, guys, these apples are Fuji, and these ones are Gala. I like these ones, guys, for cake, that's why. And we also have these string beans. These beans, guys, Baguio beans. We call it Baguio beans in the Philippines. But here, ano, guys, French bean they call it here. Yes. And we also have these herbs for our soup. Yes. A pack of that. And oranges. So, yan, guys. Yeah. We eat a lot of oranges and apples. That's why, guys. Yes, so yan ang aming grocery, guys, na dineliver nila, guys. And yeah, the greengrocers here are open and the supermarkets are open, so they come and deliver, guys, once you buy. Yes, so we are so thankful that they have this service here in our town. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and see you again in the next one. Bye!